Hey everyone, on this episode, what we're going to do is be able to show you how to create a synthetic data set. Synthetic data sets can be leveraged for many different use cases and many different verticals. Anything from medicine, pharmacy, go to market, logistics. I mean, so many different types of use cases to create synthetic data. What synthetic data will allow you to do is it'll allow you to test models, run scenarios, create algorithms, do all those things. So for this, I'm going to show you a go-to-market example of generating pipeline data that you can then test things like lead scoring, opportunity scoring. You can run trend analysis, run scenarios on. So what we've done here is say create 800 rows of synthetic data, and I've given it a list of things that I want it to create. So these would be all kind of standard things that you should have in your CRM. And then ultimately, what it will do is it actually comes down here. You can see it starts running some, giving me some analysis and what it's actually going to do. And then it actually creates the data set here. And then ultimately, you can then use that as a download. But what's also cool, so download an Excel file or CSV or however you want to do that. But then what it also allows you to do is you can actually query it. So you can, ask questions. What is the distribution of ACV by quarter? This can actually test out what's going on with the synthetic data set. Or if you have your own data set that you're using, a real one, you can actually, again, answer questions about the entire data set, which is super valuable. So you see here, what I did was I asked it to reduce the median ACV closer to 75,000 for each quarter because I noticed that something was off and I wanted to adjust that. So it does that for me. Then I can ask, again, query it, what's the distribution between each lead channel and count? So you can see the different lead channels that it's created, show ARR by quarter. You can see kind of the graph here. It obviously drops here because Q3 isn't around. So I said redo without Q3. So then you can see the chart here. And so ultimately, again, lead to opportunity rate, lead to close or opportunity to close one rate, opportunities, one opportunities ARR. So again, what this is showing you is the ability to not only create a synthetic data set, but let's say, and then you can, again, test things on, query things on, et cetera. But ultimately, what you also can do is you have your own data set. You can upload it and start asking ChatGPT or any other generative AI tool questions about the data to give you all of the insights, whether it's in a visual format, tabular format, et cetera. This saves you so much time and is definitely something that you got to use.